Maple baked chicken breasts. A main dish from Canada. Serves 8. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Dredge chicken pieces in flour seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. Step 2. In a heavy, flameproof casserole, heat butter until bubbling and brown chicken pieces. Step 3. Pour maple syrup over chicken. Sprinkle with savory, thyme and sage. Arrange onion slices on top of chicken pieces. Pour water into the bottom of the casserole. Step 4. Bake, uncovered in 350F oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until tender, basting occasionally with pan juices. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.